What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Wild Roots Ranch. My name is Jackie, and today we're doing farm chores. We keep our goat feed and our pig feed over here. Our sheep are in a different part of the pasture, so they have their own run out and all their stuff's over there, which we will take you to in a little bit. And then we will actually be back in here because this is also where we milk, and we have one sheep that's currently in milk. We have no goats in milk at the moment, but a couple of them are bred, so I'm hoping very soon. So this doe right here, this little Nigerian dwarf right there, she is definitely bred. You can tell her udder is filling up. So I think she may actually kid in the next, like, I don't know, month. We've never... Good job. Are you looking at a goat right there? Goat. Good job, bud.
Yeah, biggie. Horse got in the barn and pooped last night.
It's everywhere. So here's our little pigs. If anyone saw our first video, we got them not too long ago. And we are hopefully going to train them to hot wire sometime this week. Put them out in the pasture, actually with our other pigs, but in a smaller paddock inside said larger paddock. Don't spray me. Paul is going over to the wooded area to feed some of our larger pigs that we have. Elliot and I are going to be going into there to feed our meat birds that we have, and our sheep are over there. So we're going to be coming back over. Here are our Cornish cross meat chicks. We raised meat chickens for quite a while and got out of it when I was pregnant because it was too much for me to move the chicken tractors every day. Just slowly getting back into it. We have our egg and poultry license, so we can actually process the birds on site and sell directly to the customer or a restaurant. So that works out for us because we can raise the chickens here. We do a non-GMO organic feed. We can process them on site and we can actually use them in our restaurant. So this is where our sheep are. We have 13 altogether. We had 7 lambs born this year, which is, we were pretty excited about that. This is Pepper. She's actually the one that we are currently milking. And this is her daughter, Knox.
You gotta go there. Let's fix that.
Elliot, what kind of face are you making? We keep our chickens in with our sheep over in this pasture here. Storm, like thunder and lightning. It's like 95% humidity out here. Can you hear that? It's doing good. Come here, girl. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us this morning, doing farm tours, checking out the animals. I am going to let her go back with her daughter and get inside before the lightning gets me. See you guys on the next one.